Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a balloon shaped scrapbook card. So let's start. Take a blue paper and cardboard pieces in balloon shape. Central piece should be in this shape and another one. Paste them. Now cut it and make small parts like this. Paste these also. Now take white color paper and fold it 1 centimeter and second one also. Paste both on each other and cut according to your central part like this. Now paste it. Take white color circles like this and paste them here. Now take printed papers and for rest pages make a circle and decorate as per your choice like this. Now for decoration of very first page, take this word memories and 2 strips of white color. Paste them. Now I'm going to make a flower with yellow color. Take a yellow color strip and paste it like this. Paste a same strip on this. Now take another and paste both on each other. Paste it here. Now take a tag of white color and make some lines leaving a gap like this and write the name of person to whom you are giving. Paste it here. Now take white color strips and write messages on it. Now cut it. Paste it here. Now take a orange color paper and fold it like this. Make a cut in between. Now insert green strips in it like this. paste it and like this. Make some pattern inside. Now paste some pattern paper in front like this. Now take pink strip and paste. Paste a pink heart. Now paste photo there, and here you have to take pink color paper and make some lines like this. Now cut these three sides and rub the lines like this. Paste it here, but not paste it from upwards. I have make a flower also. Paste a yellow paper here, but first you have to paste white pink strip. Now paste yellow paper and paste it here and make this according to size. Now paste the word loved here. Now for another page, take this green strip and fold it like this. Make a triangle here. Cut it. Now paste white paper inside it. Make some dots. And make two like this. Paste a heart here. Now for next page, take smile word. Paste it like this. Now for this page, take gray color paper, a square paper, fold it like I am folding. Press it with the help of scissor. Now make a diamond shape in the inner part. Like this. Hold it. Now make the folds again. Now fold it like I am folding. Take printed paper and paste here and make a square paper to paste inside. Now it is done like this. I have pasted the word sparkle also, and on white stripes I have written wishes and pasted here. Now our scrapbook is completed. So this is the final look of our scrapbook. Paste photos in the blank spaces and write wishes also. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.